Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can solve the problem is that critical process that error in your window 10 and 11. So how you can solve that? First of all, you just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video. It's very sure. The first step is that you just have to just boot into the safe mode. Hold the shift and click the start button. So we're going to restart and go to the choose troubleshoot and go to the advanced option. And here you just find a startup settings and I will just enable the safe mode. After that step, you just have to just go to the second step. Second step is to run system file check SFC scan. So first of all, you just have to just see the interface of my desktop. So you just have to just going to the command prompt admin, just like that. Just going to the icon of the window and right click and just find a admin terminal. Just going to that section and just type SFC as scan now. So you just have to just press enter, and after finishing the scanner, just going to the third step. Third step is that use DISM tool. Type you just have to just type on the prompt DISM that one prompt. After typing that, just press enter and the light window will repair your corrupted files in the command prompt. And the first step is that check for driver issues. Check that if driver is working or not properly. You just going to the device manager, just like that. Just icon of the window and right click and just going to the device manager. And here you just have to just check the drivers of is uninstalled. Check that it's uninstalled have any suspicious or outdated drivers. Now you just have to update it. The fifth step is that run memory diagnostic tool. Press window plus R, just like that. Window plus R. And you see that I'm gonna open. I'm gonna search MD XE. Just copy that and just copy paste it and just OK it. I'm gonna see the restart now and to check problems. After doing that, let's close it. And the sixth step is that perform a clean boot option. That's one option. If after that setup, if your problem gonna solve, you just have to just not have to do that. If problem not solved, you just have to just do the step 6. Type ms config, go to the service tab, hide the Microsoft services and disable all and restart your PC. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.